Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? This is my CVS haul. Oh yeah. So, what did I buy? I bought I bought one Gillette razor. That's this one. It was $9.99. And I bought these two toothpastes. They were $4.99 each. You get $3 back for this one when you buy one at $10.99. And you get $4 back when you buy two of these. So they were $4.99 each. So that like came up to $10 for these two toothpastes and for this razor. All right. I had a $4 off coupon for the razor and 50-cent off coupons for the total daily repair toothpaste. Now, I also had $10 in, I didn't use it though. I used a $10 extra care buck, but I did have a $10 in points, but I didn't use that. Okay, so my total was $2.97, as you can see. Let me just show you. Okay, so for the three things. So my total was $2.97. I received back $4 for the toothpaste and $3 for the razors. Okay, so that was my first transaction, guys. Let me just go to the second transaction. My second transaction was the two Gillette razors. Each one was $12.49. I had a $5 off coupon that came out of the red box, 5 off 20. Then I had the $2 off coupons for each razor. $2 for this one, $2 for that one. I used $13 in extra care bucks. I paid out of pocket. It came up to $2.99. Let you see there. That $5 coupon from the red box, the $2 off coupons for each razor. Then I used $13 in extra care bucks. I paid $2.99, but I received $10 back in extra care bucks. Okay, so that was another good deal. But this was even greater. This last one, I rocked on this last one. All right, so you see, I bought 3 laundry detergents here, and each one of these laundry detergents was on sale for $5.94. I bought 4 of the Tide Pods, and they were on sale for $4.94. And that Olay back there, I bought that. They were 2 for $12, but I had that. Remember, I got that $9 coupon from the Olay company. So I finally used the last one. They had sent me 2, so I used it today. So they took the $9 off, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I paid $3 or $1.50 for each one of those. All right, so let me just let you see my receipt. The Olay, you see that? Oh, and I'm going kind of fast. Olay at the top. Then the Tide Pods, they were $4.94. Then the Tide Liquid, it was $5.94, $1 more. All right. Okay, these are the coupons I use. The $2 off, $2 off. I think the $2 was off the the bags. Then no, the $2 off was off the detergent. Then the $3 off, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was off the pods. Then that $9 coupon I got from Olay. Then I had a Care Pass of $10, and then $5 extra care bucks. All right, I paid $7.58. got back $10 and extra care bucks, okay? So, did I get my money back? No, not really, but you know what? $7.98 for all of this? Please, even if I didn't get nothing back, that would be fantabulous. Fantabulous deal. Yep, that was a great deal. Okay, guys, so I'm done. This is all I picked up from CVS. All right. If you want to do any of these deals, thank you. You can go right ahead. But you won't have that $9 like I did off that Olay, but that's still a good deal for Olay. And you had to get $40 worth of products. So when you earn the $40 worth of products, then you're going to get $10 back. And I bought the Olay because that would help the price. Although I didn't need the help from that, I ended up saving $71.63 in this transaction. And it was a 90% savings for me. So you figure, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yeah, I would have had enough if I had just bought the detergent. I really didn't have to buy that Olay, but I bought it anyway. And I still came out with a great deal, okay? So that was what I bought this evening at CVS, okay? Thank you guys for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget, subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I do a video. Okay, guys, I love you much, and I'll see you in the next video. I also went to Walgreens. I'll be back. Okay, bye-bye.